Good morning.
Go.
Good morning. Here, let's see. This is the Pteranodon Dimorphodon. Good morning. This is the Pteranodon. And then it's a fast flyer dinosaur.
This one, Pteranodon. Pteranodon.
And then this is the Dimorphodon.
Dimorphodon. This one.
Because it can a little bit go fast. The Nothoceratops. That's the Nas.
Triceratops.
Then the Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Then the Ankylosaurus.
The Ankylosaurus.
And the Stegosaurus.
The Stegosaurus.
I forgot what's this.
The
This is the Paralosaurus. And I forgot also what is this dinosaur.
Pachyrhinosaurus.
Pachyrhinosaurus.
What's lacking?
What?
What's lacking in the collection?
Because I have 8 dinosaurs. I have 8 right here because I need just the last numbers. 3 and 5.
What is 3 and 5?
Katong the number 3 and 5 for the dinosaur.
The Bickel spinach.
The
And,
vehicle spinach.
What is the other number 5? Allosaurus.
Yes, that's the because it's Allosaurus.
Bye-bye na.
Bye.